it induces 500 volts when the current changes at the rate of 5 milliampere in 2 microsecond. Okay, solution. Okay, nahanap po dito is yung inductance. So we have E is equals to 1 half. Hindi pala 1 half. Hit 1 half. So this will be L I over T. No? Ito yung ko sa formula kanina. So yung given natin, ay nahanap pala isang inductance. So ito ilipat din sa kabila. We have L is equal to E times T. Tapos itong current magiging divide. So yung voltage natin na given is 500 volts. No? Habang yung ating ano ba yan? Yung ating current, no, is 5 milliamperes. So 5 and that is 5 times 10 to the power of negative 3 amperes. Yung ating time in seconds is 2 microseconds. So that is 2 times 10 to the power of negative 6 seconds. Then we just substitute. So voltage is 500 volts. The time is 2 times 10 to the power of negative 6. Habang yung ating current is 5 times 10 or milliamperes. So using our calculator, so hanapin ko ano yung calculator natin dito. Okay. And so using our calculator, so we have 500. Okay. Hindi pa ito yung calculator, yung FX pa yung gagamitin natin. Yung Casio FX. Yan. Okay. So just put this one on our board. No? So we have 500 times 2 raised to the power times 2 times 10 to the power of negative 6, that is micro. Then 5 times 10 to the power of negative 3. So you have 0.2. So the correct answer is 0. Our Henry or inductance is 0.2 Henry, which is letter B. Letter B. Next, then you have a choke. No? Choke is an inductor designed to specifically used to block high-frequency alternating current AC in an electrical circuit while allowing DC. Yung choke is basically binablock niya yung AC current tapos ina-allow yung DC. No? This is used for especially when we are going to filter signals. No? Then inductor performance in DC. So when DC is applied to an inductor, so it will increase the magnetic field opposes the current and the current is at minimum. So kapag sa DC, the current is at minimum pag meron tayong inductor. Then when the magnetic field collapse, or when the magnetic field is at maximum, it will maintain the magnetic field and maintain the flows of the current. As soon as the current source is removed, the magnetic field begins to collapse and create an induced current, which sometimes having very high voltage. Then we have the energy stored in an inductor. So that will be W is equals to 1 half Li squared. Within our W is the energy in joule. Then the L is an inductance in Henry and I is current in amperes. So another question na po tayo. Which of the following circuit elements will oppose the change in current? So kapag nasa maximum na po yung ating inductor, it will maintain the inductor. So the correct answer for this one is inductance. Okay. Then we have, if a current of 3 amperes is flowing on a 5 millihenry inductor, how much is the energy stored on it? Solution. Okay, so we have W is equals to 1 half Li squared. So yung 1 half po natin, constant yan. Our inductance is 5 millihenry. So this is 5 times 10 to the power of negative 3 kasi milli po siya. Our current is 3 amperes or 3 amperes squared. So using our calculator. Yan. So we have 1 half times times 5 raised times 5 raised to the power of negative 3 times 3 squared. So this is equal to, so we have 0.0025 joule. So the correct answer for this one is 0.0025 joule. Okay, the next one. So what should be the inductance for inductor to store 550J or 50 joules at 20 amperes? Okay, solution. So ang formula natin, work is equals to 1 half Li squared. So hinahanap is yung inductance. So hindi pa natin ito kabilang lahat. So ito nasa baba magiging multiply. So our L is 2W over I squared. Substituting 2. Then we have 5 or 50 joule. Divided by the current is 20 ohms. 20 ampere. Basta ka square. Okay. So we have here 2 times 50 divided by 20 squared. Okay, so the correct answer for this one is 0.25. So 0.25